In recent years, digital art and NFTs have surged in popularity, captivating both seasoned artists and newcomers alike. This booming market offers exciting opportunities for those who may not consider themselves traditional artists. Non-artists can explore various avenues, such as curating digital art collections, investing in NFTs, or even creating unique digital assets using user-friendly tools. By leveraging platforms that facilitate the buying and selling of digital art, anyone can tap into this lucrative market. In this video, we'll embark on an engaging journey to uncover unconventional income streams in the digital art world, empowering you to explore creative ways to earn money without needing to pick up a paintbrush. Understanding digital art and NFTs. Digital art encompasses a wide range of creative expressions, including illustrations, graphics, animations, and even 3D models, all created using digital tools. This innovative medium has gained immense traction in recent years, appealing to both artists and collectors. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are unique digital certificates that verify ownership of a specific digital asset, revolutionizing how we perceive ownership in the digital realm. By allowing artists to tokenize their work, NFTs provide a new revenue stream and ensure authenticity. As digital art continues to gain recognition, it has emerged as a viable income source for creators and investors alike, making it an exciting space to explore for anyone interested in the art world. Identifying your niche. Finding your niche within the digital art market is essential for success. Start by exploring various styles and themes that resonate with you, whether it's abstract, character design, or digital landscapes. Experimenting with different forms can help you discover what truly inspires you. Next, research current trends in digital art to identify profitable niches that are gaining traction. Platforms like social media and art marketplaces can provide valuable insights into what's popular. Finally, focus on personal branding and uniqueness. Developing a distinct style will help you stand out in a crowded market. By combining your passions with market insights, you can carve out a niche that reflects your individuality and attracts an audience. Creating digital art without being an artist. You don't need to be a skilled artist to create stunning digital art. User-friendly design software like Canva and Adobe Spark makes it easy for beginners to dive in. These platforms offer intuitive interfaces and a variety of features that simplify the design process. To enhance your creations, consider using templates and stock images, which can provide a solid foundation for your projects. This approach allows you to create appealing visuals without starting from scratch. Additionally, don't hesitate to experiment with different digital tools and techniques. This exploration can help you develop a personal style over time. Embrace the creative process and enjoy the journey of digital art creation. Selling your digital art. When it comes to selling your digital art, several popular platforms can help you reach a wider audience. Etsy and Redbubble are great for selling prints and merchandise, while OpenSea is ideal for NFTs and unique digital assets. To effectively market your art, leverage social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest, where visual content thrives. Engaging with your audience and showcasing your work can significantly increase your visibility. Additionally, pricing your digital art competitively is crucial. Research similar works to find a balance between affordability and profitability. Consider factors like your time, effort, and market demand to set prices that reflect the value of your creations while attracting potential buyers. Building a brand and community. Creating a cohesive brand identity is essential for standing out in the digital art market. Start by defining your unique style, values, and message that resonate with your target audience. Consistency in your visuals, tone, and content across platforms helps establish recognition and trust. Engaging with your audience through social media and newsletters is crucial. Share behind-the-scenes content, updates, and personal stories to foster connection. Encourage feedback and interaction to make your audience feel valued. Additionally, building a community around your digital art can enhance loyalty and support. By nurturing relationships with your followers, you create a network of advocates who are more likely to promote your work and contribute to your success. In summary, making $500 a month selling digital art without being an artist is entirely achievable by following a few key steps. Start by identifying your niche, utilizing user-friendly design tools, and exploring platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and OpenSea to sell your creations. Remember the importance of branding and community engagement to build a loyal audience. Digital art presents a unique and accessible income stream for anyone willing to explore their creativity. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Your support helps us create more valuable content to guide you on your digital art journey.